Na-try niyo na rin bang mag-inquire sa isang salon? Nag-send kayo ng peg or hair inspo and they said, yes, kaya namin yan. Siyempre, nagtiwala ka, pero ending, you didn't get what you paid for. That's when it hit me na hindi enough na magaling lang yung hairstylist. Kailangan honest din sila. So when I went to Hair Alchemist Aesthetic dito sa May Giginto, I asked them, kaya niyo bang gawin yung dream hair ko? They said, hindi ma-achieve because of the previous treatment and hair color I had 2 months ago. And at the same time, yung peg na gusto ko requires bleaching so hindi siya ma-achieve sa simpleng hair coloring lang. I still have to wait for a few more months. I went with red hair and I also decided to try their hair botox para soft and smooth pa rin yung hair ko even after coloring at syempre hindi siya mukhang damage. Looking at the result, I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. Na-realize ko talaga sometimes what you really need isn't a hairstylist who will say yes to everything you want. You need someone who will tell you honestly kung ano yung kaya, ano yung hindi, what will suit you, and even more, what will actually make you look good. And for that, 5 out of 5 stars talaga sa akin ang Hair Alchemist aesthetic. Ikaw, what are you waiting for? Time to get that hair glow you've been dreaming about. Dito lang sila pagtawid ng Menu's Fast Food along MacArthur Highway, Giginto, Bulacan. Open sila daily from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. O siya, until our next hair transformation. Bye!